Right, hello class. Whenever you can, look at this site, learnenglishkids.britishcouncil.org. Okay, this will help you have more information about the subjects that we're talking about. Now, today we are going to talk about there is, there are, and prepositions of place. For that, let's have a look at my table. First of all, we have here a box with letters. The letters are in the box. My dear doll here, my doll, okay, she is in front of the box. The box and the doll are on the table. Also, we have here a knife, a fork, a spoon, and a plate. The plate is between the knife and the fork. Okay, now here we have two dolls. They are in this position, they are next to or near each other. Now they are next to, near, next to, and under the table, okay, we have a pack of balls. So under, between, next to and near, in front of, and all the objects here are on the table. Okay, now let's go to the board. Okay, right, as we saw in. The letters, as you saw them, they are in the box. We also saw on. The plate, the doll were on the table. We also saw between. The plate, remember, the plate was between the fork and the knife. We also saw under. The balls were under the table. We also saw near and next to. Now, with all this, we also saw the phrase which we need to pay more attention to, okay? Is there are and there is. Here we have there are letters. There are letters in the box. There are letters. Why do I use there are? Because there are more than one. Okay? Now, there is a doll. Okay? There is a doll. So we use there are for many, for two or more. And we use there is for only one. So there is a doll and there are letters. Okay? So now, what I want you to do is go on to the site that I showed you. Learn English kids.britishcouncil.org and find some exercises and practice at home. There are and there is. Okay, and also prepositions of place. There are letters in the box. There is a plate between. There is a plate between the knife and fork. Okay, so I hope you learned a bit more of our English using there are and there is, and also whenever you can practice it a bit more with prepositions of places: in, between, on, under. Okay, remember under, there are. Okay, there are balls under the table. Okay, so I hope you had a good lesson, and whenever you can, practice it and tune in to a bit more. See you next class.